Good morning, Jamaica. This is Mark Golding. Here's what's on my mind this morning. The fact that corruption is draining our future, and the truth is, most Jamaicans feel it, because nearly 66% of us believe it's worse now than it was 5 years ago. I believe trust must be earned, not demanded. And as Prime Minister, I will make integrity the standard, not the exception. That's why in April 2023, I tabled the Impeachment Bill in Parliament, because no elected official should be above accountability. Sadly, the current government has failed to look at that legislation, even though it was one of Andrew Holness's 100-day promises for the 2016 JLP election campaign. Anyway, don't worry. When the PNP forms the next government, that bill will become law. I will also look at introducing a recall system so that delinquent elected leaders who betray the people's trust can be removed by the people without having to wait years till the next election happens. Accountability is essential to building trust and confidence. But this isn't just about politics. The corruption at the top is part of a bigger problem, the moral decay in our society. It's reflected in how we treat each other, the callousness, the lack of respect, the everyday cruelty we see and hear about, the indifference to others that we've come to accept. That's why I plan to launch a national effort, not a political one, for Jamaica's spiritual and moral upliftment. It will be led by civic and spiritual leaders who have credibility and heart, not politicians. But the next PNP government will support it and protect it, because rebuilding our values must be a national mission. True leadership means being accountable to the people, not just when it's convenient, but all the time. And when we raise the bar together, we rebuild trust. And that trust is the foundation for real progress and real change. Trust must be earned. And under my leadership, that process will begin. Time come, Jamaica.